I don't know, I think we're confessing our hatred of the Chicago girls.
Not talk about it at all. They don't deserve to be talked about.
Confessional about all the about all the drama of the stupid camel. It's just a camel. What are you gonna do with a camel? We started it. Do they think they're really like good enough that they can like just copy our idea? That's so unoriginal. Who are you filming anyway? This is about us. I know.
We're just chilling out there. Let's go take pictures of it.
Because we were all like, yeah, let's steal the camel because it's really funny. And then they're like, oh, let's steal the camel back and put the... And let's steal it back and try and be all cool. And then I was just like...
It was our genius idea. And who gets the credit for it? They do. Everybody likes them for it. Because they're fake. They get the attention.
And it was...
Hi, I'm a girl from Chicago, and I really like all the boys here. I just have to be such a big whore.
Watch them be able to hear us.
Oh,
I would laugh.
Like I care.
where are they?
Seriously, I would.
Oh yeah, now the camels are...
I don't care, they do anything, they go home.
Confession.
Shannon, you have a really blank look on your face. Oh, they stole a sheep, too.
Oh,
Baby
yeah,
sheep.
'cause
A lamb.
they're so cool.
How could they sell lamb?
It was easier to
the
carry than the
camels are sitting on the hallway, and we think that they got in trouble.
Not the camels, the people.
Oh yeah, the people, not the camels. The camels aren't real.
They had a shirt on them, and when we went out there to take a picture...
They just like, you guys moved camels?
Yeah.
They're not real. It's just like, that would have been
Visit the
helpful to tell
camels.
me.
We can't, we're supposed to be in our bedroom.
No, they're in the hallway.
You know what that means.
We should go find the camels.
Well, we already kind of know where they are, and if we take them, then we're going to get in trouble.
We could go on an adventure and just visit them. Put it on our confessional. This isn't much of a confessional anymore. Okay, bye.